Hey, what up? This is my bike check. First, I'll just do a little 360 rotation of the bike. And we'll start with the front. On the ground, I got Bulletproof BMX 36H front rim with a folding Shadow Undertaker tire. Then to the Snafu UL race fork. Then we come up to the Shadow Attack front load stem, holding up the S&M slam bars, cut an inch on both sides, which brings them to a 27. And I have the Primo Corey Martinez grips, and the premium slim seat. To the middle of the bike, we have the Profile Imperial 25 tooth sprocket with the Profile light cranks and the Odyssey twisted PC pedals. In the back, we got an Eastern Niner rim with the KHE folding park tire. And this is all built onto the premium Josh Harrington frame, 20.5 top tube, which I have wrought out. I have my brake bosses shaved off because who runs brakes? That's about it. It's a pretty nice bike, decent. I think it's at about 23 pounds off the top of my head, something around there. It's pretty light, and right now I don't have them on, but when I feel like running pegs, I have purple Hoffman alloy pegs, extremely light, highly recommended, and that's about it. Well, see you guys later.